Now it's time to finish the steering mechanism. This chapter is also important if your car doesn't drive straight after full assembly. Come back anytime you need to recenter the wheels. Let's start by taking the steering linkage and attaching one of its ends to the right steering arm. Then gently press the wider circular end onto the servo shaft. For now, I'll secure it with a single 8mm screw. Turn on the ESC and the transmitter. And rotate the steering wheel a little. Everything works, but as you can see, the wheels are slightly misaligned. So let's fix that. Remove the screw and detach the linkage from the servo. Now, manually adjust the wheels. The correct position is when both wheels are slightly aligned toward the center of the car. They will align perfectly once the motor applies the pressure to the wheels. Put the linkage back onto the servo and test the steering again. If the angles look right, secure the linkage with the 8mm screw. Then take the small screw from the servo skid and tighten the linkage onto the servo shaft. Final test, perfect. If it's not perfectly centered, don't worry. If you are using a mid-range remote controller, you can correct the steering from the transmitter itself, without reassembling anything. Turn on the transmitter and press the exit button to switch to the channel output page. Now make sure everything is connected correctly and turn on the ESC. Wait until the receiver LED becomes solid green. Move the steering wheel, everything should respond normally. On the remote, find the button labeled ST. Pressing up increases the value on channel 1, your steering channel. With each press, the servo shifts slightly. Move the steering wheel back and forth to relieve tension in the mechanism. You will notice the wheels angle one way. Press down and the wheels shift to the opposite side. Go back and forth until the wheels are perfectly centered. If needed, return the value to 0. This is the easiest way to fine-tune steering after full assembly. If you are using a different remote, check its manual or search online. Virtually all mid-range transmitters offer steering trim through a button or menu. Unfortunately, the cheapest remote do not have steering trim, so you will need to adjust the linkage manually using the first method. That's it for centering and adjusting the steering mechanism. Your chassis is now ready to drive straight. In the next chapter, we will talk about the motor cooling. Stay tuned!